What a random hose. Like the charge pipe squishes in half down the side of the engine. It just has this random ass S-bend for no reason. Like that could just be straight. Okay. 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 Alright. I think I might have to take the wheel liner out to get to this. Because I can definitely only see 2 bolts. And the third is going to be on the other side of this charge pipe. In between the frame and the engine. Oh man, god damn, there's so much shit falling on my face. Oh, I fucking hate my life. Why can't anything be easy? Oh god. Actually, I don't think this is gonna be that bad. I just gotta take that guy off. Let's try that. You out. And then up here. Where are you? Oh, it's up there. I need a screwdriver. There's so much shit that fell in my eyes. Oh my fucking Christ. I cannot see what I'm doing. Oh, I am getting it. Okay. Oh, it fucking went back down. You piece of shit. Oh, for fuck's sakes. Gotta love these fucking 2 liters. Hey, there we go. Okay, now I believe it's just 1 bolt. G30. There's one on the top. Do you think that being a Jedi was part of Volkswagen's plan when they were making these cars? Because a lot of these bolts you just have to kind of guess. There it is. Actually, I suppose this would have been a lot easier without the wheel liner in it. Now that that's off, I just have to get the thing out. Ugh. Cool. I should have bought this piece as well. Boy, oh my face! Am I able to see all of the bolt holes? Oh, 1, 2, and 3. Holy shit, I can actually touch them all. That's fucking weird. That never happens. However, I think I'm actually gonna have to use a dead-ass fucking Allen key to get these out. Why the fuck is there a hose right here? Oh my god, there's a hose right in front of one of the goddamn fucking bolts. Why? What is that hose even? I think I'm gonna have to take it off. Fuck. Oh god, I hate myself. Note to self. Put this bolt in before putting it on. Never gonna be able to get that back. Ow, Cuddy. Ow, 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 ow. Okay. Use the force. Is there such thing as like a 5.5? 5 has some play. And that top one's kind of being an asshole. And if that strips, I'm gonna light this fucking car on fire.
What do you think a standard equivalent?
The standard equivalent is 3/16, except that's a little bit smaller. This is being such a fucking asshole. I can feel it. Now, can I get a socket in there? Use the force. Best way to work on Volkswagens. More shit falling in my eyes. What the fuck is attached now? Get the fuck out of here, you mother fucking piece of shit, whorehole, cunt, fucking loser, fuck. God damn it! I got the whole thing free, except there's this fucking wiring harness and the bracket's attached. So I gotta take this fucking bracket off. Like this whole fucking thing. You fucking asshole. Like why? Like why was right there the optimal place for them to put that? This is probably why there's not a single video that I could find on how to do a turbo muffler delete on a Gen 1 TSI. Because this is the biggest pain in the ass in the fucking world. It's literally easier to get a better job and buy a fucking Gen 2 TSI than it is to work on this piece of shit. Like with the amount of time working on this car, I could literally put more hours in at work and go buy a fucking Mark 7 Golf R. Oh, Gen 3 TSI. Oh, don't even fucking look back. Everything fucking works. Fuck this car. Fuck that O-ring. Ah, god damn it. Can you even see where it bolts onto from the top?
Yeah. There's just 2 things.
What are they?
Yeah.
Excellent. I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Oh. Get me a knife.
No.
I've been using the force on a lot of these fucking bolts, and how they've come out is beyond me.
My cat's broke.
Don't wear skinny jeans, Adam.
What? Fuck you just saying?
She called you fat!
Whoa.
I don't think that's what I said.
What's wrong?
You just told him not to wear skinny jeans. Why can't he wear skinny jeans? Is he not skinny enough for you?
He ripped them.
Oppressing me? Are you oppressing me?
I hate the way you said
He
that.
fat jokes to go to bed. He was like in bed, he said like, what chips? And I was like, no, you don't need any more chips.
How?
While I patted his
How the fuck you dating this woman? Telling her you don't eat chips? You always eat chips.
What? No, she just won't leave me. I've been trying for years.
We know.
It's been 18 years.
Don't worry.
She's
Tomorrow's
our fake 1-year anniversary. Get it? February 29th. I only have to celebrate it every 4 years. I'm a fucking genius. Except it actually came up and now we have to celebrate it. I hate myself.
You guys gonna like blink or something?
Fuck no, that's gross.
not until weekend.
Like what the fuck, man? Not in front of the Bible.
Pretty fucking gay, dude.
It's funny how I'm like completely trapped into a love-hate relationship with this car where every time I have to work on it, I want to light the fucking thing on fire. But when I'm not working on it, I'm totally content with everything. It's like, oh, you know what? This car wasn't so bad. I was overreacting. And then I have to work on it again. It's like, man, I'm gonna light this fucking car on fire.
Dude, we got an ECS tuning DIY.
Yeah, it's for a GTI, so it's with the turbo that's on this side. Because there's two Gen 1 TSIs.
I'll suck your dick right now, man. I swear to God.
Dude, I fucking swear to fuck, I will fucking suck your dick, show you how gay you are.
Do you have an ECS drive plug?
Yeah, dude, makes it go faster.
Oh,
What is happening?
my hand's stuck. Your car's eating me.
Now, how many joints is my wrist gonna have to get this? Oh god, my wrist. Hey Adam, why don't you have a case on your phone?
It's for Vegas, man.
I smell a Lotsy coming.
Oh god, this plastic is hurty. Okay, now I can't see anything. Good. Are you recording?
Is this a yawn?
Did you just fucking ravioli my ear?
Yeah, dude. Oh, down, back. No, like go. Move your head backwards. Backwards more. Right there. Nope, down.
I have an idea. Put your camera on. Go to video. You have to click on video. You have to go on video. Yeah, go on video. There you go. Now put the flash on. Are you fucking checking your goddamn text messages?
Videoing you. Oh, that worked. Holy shit, dude.
I have another idea.
Oh, I scratched myself. This is better.
No.
What are you doing?
Well, if I take the intake hose off,
Yeah.
I'll have more room for my arm.
The whole thing is the thing?
Yeah, like I'm gonna take the entire intake hose off. Well, no, this is the fun part now.
What?
Well, I don't have that fancy tool.
What's your conundrum? What is the issue you have in here?
There's a whole other problem that we haven't faced yet.
What?
We're not there yet. How is it that every time I've taken this hose off, I've never been smart enough just to put the clamp right here? Why does this keep happening?
Is it off yet?
No. So GoPro died, but it is almost 2 in the morning and I'm going to bed. So we're gonna take this back up in the morning and then the intake should also be in. So we can toss that on as well and make noises.